Lesson 268. Let all things be exactly as they are.
Hi there. Are you ready to unravel a very familiar paradox today? One that you've likely encountered numerous times in your life, the paradox of how we manifest things and people in our lives and transform the world we see. Alright, let's dive deep into Lesson 268 and uncover its treasures.
Let all things be exactly as they are. Let me not be your critic, Lord, today, and judge against you. Let me not attempt to interfere with your creation, and distort it into sickly forms. Let me be willing to withdraw my wishes from its unity, and thus to let it be as you created it. For thus will I be able, too, to recognize myself as you created me. In love was I created, and in love will I remain forever. What can frighten me, when I let all things be exactly as they are? Let not our sight be blasphemous today, nor let our ears attend to lying tongues. Only reality is free of pain. Only reality is free of loss. Only reality is wholly safe. And it is only this we seek today.
In other words, in this lesson, we again encounter a concept we've discussed multiple times in recent lessons, the idea that we live in two worlds. One is the world of illusions, the world we see with our physical eyes, rooted in ego-driven projections. The other is the world beyond this world, the ultimate reality, revealed to us by the Holy Spirit, where time gives way to timelessness, space yields to the boundless embrace of oneness, and love and peace have no opposite. That's the creation we want to honor and cherish. That's the world of perfection. But in this world of illusions, of course, we will see fear, suffering, and pain. Of course, we will want to change things. It can feel like being a tightrope walker, striving to maintain balance. We can change the things we want to change. We can work together to make this a better world. Even if we recognize it's an illusion, even if we understand it's just a dream, we can make this a happy dream. Our desire to be a beacon of change is legitimate. However, this must come from a place of peace, not conflict. It should arise from a place of love, not fear. It should come from a vision that holds the awareness of the world beyond the world we see, the world where everything is perfect as it is.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
Judging, criticizing, and holding grievances don't help. If anything, these are tools of the ego, making us believe we're pursuing noble goals while ensuring we never truly achieve them. Here's another way to illustrate this paradox that you might have encountered repeatedly in your life. The more you want to change things, the less you will be able to do it. The more you accept and allow things to simply be, the greater your capacity becomes to transform both yourself and the world around you. It's not about forcing things to change, but having the courage and strength to accept things and people as they are. Let's embrace situations as they are, and ask the Holy Spirit for a shift in our perception. Only then will we gain the clarity to know exactly what to do, where to go, and what to say, and to whom.
What would you have me do?
Where would you have me go?
What would you have me say? And to whom?
Let's remain rooted in the love that created us, for from that foundation, our perspective may be very different.
Lesson 229. Love, which created me, is what I am.
It might even be the case that we are asked not to do anything, just to accept things as they are. There might be invaluable lessons to be learned. As we've recently seen, the Holy Spirit can use this world as a classroom, teaching us profound lessons of forgiveness and love, ultimately guiding us to recall our divine nature and oneness with God.
Lesson 263. My holy vision sees all things as pure.
The power to change the things we want to change lies in accepting things as they are. Let's never forget. The more we want to change things, the less we will be able to do it. The more we accept things as they are, the more we will make change happen.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
How radical is that? Doesn't it feel liberating to know that by accepting things as they are, we can finally become the agents of change we strive to be? Remember to keep practicing morning and evening as we've done so far. And take a moment every hour to remind yourself of today's idea. Should you feel tempted to fall into familiar animosity whenever you spot something you'd like changed, just repeat silently to yourself.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
And as we continue through the section What is the Body?, today's lesson encourages us to release the body's illusory perceptions of judgment and control. When we try to change or distort creation according to our false perceptions, we lose sight of the unity and love with which we were created. By allowing everything to be as God intended, we recognize our true self, created in love and forever safe in Him. This acceptance dissolves fear and pain, revealing the eternal peace and security that come from embracing reality as it is. But if you missed the introduction to this section, make sure to catch up by clicking the link that will appear on your screen at the end of this video. Or look for the link to section 5 in the video description below.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
Let all things be exactly as they are.
You're doing an incredible job. This journey isn't always easy, but we're so blessed to have the opportunity to be on it. See you tomorrow for another enlightening lesson. Quick note before you go. Making these videos is a labor of love, but it's still financially challenging. If you've found value in what you've watched, please consider supporting with a donation. Even the humblest contribution means the world and ensures the continuation of these daily lessons. Thank you for your generosity.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.